So some of you know I've recently been to the beach, and while I was there, I finally got to do something that I've always wanted to do. And so I thought, I'll try it for YouTube. I filmed underwater. No, I did not use an expensive camera. No, I did not buy a waterproof case. I used, you ready? Yeah. So when I did that, some things happened. Did I ruin my phone? Let's find out.
I'm in the process of buying a new phone, so I thought there's not really a purpose of buying a waterproof case just for one experiment. So I thought, wait a minute, I can use a plastic bag and try to go underwater and see if it works. And how low budget can I make this? Like, can I film underwater with just a plastic bag? Let's see.
So in conclusion, it actually works, but you probably noticed that the quality of filming underwater, especially with an iPhone that's about 4 years old, it's not. If you're on a budget and you want to film underwater, you want to film yourself, I don't know, doing like throwing diving sticks down and racing or trying to pick up pennies from the pool. I used to like that. If you like that kind of stuff and you want to just do short videos, I think it would work with just the phone in the plastic bag, because it did work for mine. Although after over a minute, I noticed that there were little droplets leaking into the bag. I would just recommend a high quality plastic bag so that it's less likely to allow water to seep in. And then I had this beautiful idea of placing my phone on a tripod and recording the waves coming right up on the shore and then watching the waves crash. And I thought, well, if the phone is in the bag, it'll be protected, and I've got the tripod to get right up in there, up close and personal. And let me show you actually what this tripod does. It says cute little mini tripod, and there's not a lot of reviews on it on YouTube, so I thought I'd do a mini one right here. It's called the Aureday adjustable cell phone camera travel mini tripod stand, or at least that's what it says on Amazon. It's only $20, and it's a great starter tripod, so it can curl around a pole or some type of little area. But I thought this would be fun to actually have along the shore of the beach. Don't try this on a windy day. So as you can see, it's very adjustable for all cell phone types, and you can actually place real cameras on here too. And a slim case will not work. It did not work for mine, so bye. So I set this out on the shore and I was all excited. I thought, I'm gonna get some beautiful footage. I've got the phone safely in the bag, of course, and it was on the stand, so obviously not high tech. And here's what happened.
It was supposed to do that.
It did what it was supposed to do, except for the lack of stability. So don't try this when there's high winds. The phone still wasn't damaged, but some of my patience was, so I moved on to the next step. The next step was, let me just take the phone and the bag and put it underwater in the ocean, because why not? So if you guys can see anything in the ocean at all, tell me in the comments below. And if you like this type of experiment, don't forget to subscribe. I've got many other videos. This was just the first in what will hopefully be a much better underwater filming series. We'll see how it goes over the months and maybe years, who knows. Okay guys, it worked. The phone still works even though it's quite old and has to be replaced because it has other issues, but no water damage to speak of. At least I haven't noticed anything yet. So you guys are awesome for watching this. Thank you so much for clicking, and if you liked it, you're amazing. If you subscribed, you're even better. So until next time, I'm Jessica from JPEZ Talks.